Somebody who lives up the road said this vehicle might be heading back in our direction. We're kind of sitting and waiting for it.
4359, did you copy?
This vehicle supposedly going to be coming back down prior.
52.
Here it comes.
Stand by, the vehicle's coming back toward us.
Stop! Stop! Shut it down!
Right now!
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shut it down! Shut it down! Dispatch 332, shots fired. Dispatch 32, shots fired. Dispatch 32, shots fired, shots fired. Send medical.
No copy.
You good?
Yeah.
Dispatch 232.
Tell the roll medical.
I did. Dispatch 332. Be advised, have medical respond. We also have a dog in the vehicle. Suspect is apparently 10-7.
I copy. They're not reporting no code.
You can still have them roll code for the time being.
I copy. You want code?
Roger.
Good call on the rifle, though.
You got any pulse or anything on him?
No.
I don't have gloves.
Got some in the car right there, I'll check. Still rolling?
Yeah.
Dispatch 359, I'm 97.
Okay.
What's that?
You guys good?
Yeah, we're good. Pretty sure this is a guy from the B&E down the street though. And that's our stolen car.
Can't believe it, man. He came popping out right in front of us down there on Justice, and then
He was down there. He saw us. We were outside challenging him. He gave it the goose.
came right.
Spun into here.
So he was coming down. He
Yeah,
was coming down the trail.
down.
I told him to stop. He hit the gas, came right at us. Nothing we could do.
Man, I was trying to get up this damn road as fast
It's
as I could.
nasty,
but,
dude.
Oh,
Yeah.
just spinning.
Well, we started following him, and that's where we got stuck right there. So we backed up here, and we're like, well, you gotta come down. It's a one-way in. There's a, looks like a Roddy mix in the front seat too.
Is he down as well?
No, he looks alright. Just.
Oh, yeah. Well, whatever you guys need, man.
Just watch out for the shell casings, Josh.
Okay. Yeah.
You got any cones or anything you could put by them?
No. No, I don't have it.
I think I shot all 3 of my slugs, and there's some buckshot.
I ran drawing on my AR, so there's 20 rounds of 5.56 out here somewhere. Oh, here's some.
Thanks.
I'm gonna.
You good, brother?
Yeah.
Was Lieutenant O'Donnell still working?
I believe so. The last time I looked at my NT, he's still on the screen.
Did they come across? Did it come across that we had shots fired?
Yep, I heard it. You know what? We should probably tell those guys it's your 1038.
Yeah.
Because I don't want somebody else wrecking out on the way here. Like you guys like your siren.
Yeah.
Dispatch 332.